Today I'm going to be starting a remodel on my half bath here. I'm going to be putting beadboard on the lower half of the walls. But here's the thing, I know there's plumbing lines behind this toilet area, behind the sink area, and a lot of electrical lines too that I definitely don't want to hit. So I got the Walabot DIY 2, and we're going to actually see what's behind these walls. The wall scanner / stud finder that actually shows you what's behind your wall, not just a beep, visual images. Old traditional stud finders, they just blink, they just beep, but they don't really tell you what's behind your wall. I know you think it's a stud, but it could be something else. I've tried it. That lights up for pipes, it lights up for wires. You just can't be quite sure. Walabot uses RF scans to actually show you what's behind your wall, whether it's pipes, wires, studs, or even movement from something such as like maybe a mouse, which could be really cool and come in handy. Open and download the Walabot app, connect it to your phone, open the app, and start scanning. It pairs to your phone using Wi-Fi. I'm connecting to the device, and yes, you actually need the device. Don't just need the app, you need the device. So now you place it on the wall, click calibrate, and you spin in a circle until the calibration is complete. Calibration complete. Now there's two different scan modes. There's image mode, which shows you what's in your wall, and expert mode, which shows different heat signals. It shows different reds. We'll get into that. Let's start with imaging. Start your scan. Oh, right there, wooden stud. Now let's move over a little bit farther. This way. Oh, look at that. Wouldn't you just know it, a pipe. There's a pipe running probably all the way up this wall to the, oh, there's the other stud too. So the pipe runs right vertically up to the other bathroom. I'm sure it connects to this toilet. So that's one that I want to mark and definitely don't hit when I'm installing the beadboard. Then I move over, there's the wooden stud. There's another stud right there. Now I'm here on this wall and I'm going to check out what we see here. There's a wooden stud right there. It even shows me the actual center of the stud. So I can mark it with tape or mark it with pencil, whatever I want to do. And let's keep moving. Oh, and there is a wire. So got these, light switches here. One runs to the bath fan, one runs to the light. There's wiring running right here, through the walls, probably through the studs, and coming down to my light switches, so I can follow that down and mark it to where, ever I want. And that way I don't hit that when I'm installing the beadboard. Now I'm switching to expert mode, and it kind of looks like this raw, like red heat source. It uses raw radar actually to detect whether it's a pipe, wooden stud, maybe there's movement such as that mouse we were talking about earlier in the wall. And this mode really just helps kind of figure out where the curves are, maybe in the wires, the pipes, so you can actually trace and follow if you're doing multiple markings throughout the wall. Don't believe it works? Well, I built a small demo wall here just to prove that it does. I put some hidden pipes, hidden wires, and obviously there's some 2x4s somewhere in here. Let's see if this thing actually works. Put the Walabot onto my phone, reconnect to the device, start the calibration. Again, it's just a circular motion. It only takes about maybe 10-15 seconds here, and we'll be up and running. Calibration complete. So I'm going to use the images mode and start seeing, whoa, what is that? A pipe or a wire? Follow that through. Oh, wooden stud to another pipe or a wire. Wow. Let's keep going. This way, there's that pipe and wire. It's an electrical wire, I know, because I put it there. Oh, there's the wooden stud. And what else do we got here? Oh, pipe or wire. Wow. So if I haven't proved to you already, this tool really works, I promise. Whether you're hanging shelves, remodeling a bathroom, doing whatever, save peace of mind and get yourself a Walabot. If you want one, the link's in the description below. Go get smarter drilling.